with Rose Emily. I hope all of you guys are doing super good today. And are you ready to make these delicious shrimp in garlic and butter sauce? They're so good. They're made literally in minutes. You have a delicious shrimp in garlic and butter. You can serve this with tostones, rice, or even pasta. Guys, these are so good. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Now let's get started with the recipe. So let's get started. In my pan here, I'm adding a stick of butter. And we're cooking this at medium heat. Stick of butter is equivalent to about half a cup of melted butter. We're also adding half a cup of finely chopped garlic. We're going to mix well and add 1 teaspoon of chopped red onions. We're also going to add 1 teaspoon of green and yellow bell peppers, finely chopped. We're going to mix well. And I am adding another teaspoon of chopped red onions. We're going to let this cook for about 5 minutes on medium heat. And after the 5 minutes, we're going to get started and add our medium-sized shrimp. I have here about 2.5 pounds, deveined already and cleaned. Let's add juice of a lemon. When there's seafood, there is lemon or limes. We're also going to add 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt or to taste. A lot of flavor in here, a lot of seasoning. We're going to mix well. We don't lack in flavor. We're also going to add fresh garlic. We're going to mix. And we're going to let this cook for about 10 minutes on medium heat. After the 10 minutes, our delicious shrimp are done. And how can you tell the shrimps are done? Well, they turn the color pink. Look how good and saucy and garlicky. Have yourself a better than a restaurant delicious shrimp in garlic and butter sauce.